intelligent students from all over the world. Are you ready to solve this problem? So let's get a start. Here says congruent triangles ABC and CD are placed next to each other. When I am talking about congruent triangles, that means corresponding angles and corresponding sides in each two triangles are equals. So it says, and the next step it says are placed next to each other so that AC and E lie on one straight line. That means they are collinear. So ACE is a straight line. Show that the shaded triangle are similar. And show the triangle means this triangle and this triangle and this triangle. I hope they are clear. The shaded triangle. Anyway, first of all, to prove these three triangles are similar, I start to show this line AB and this line CD, they are parallel. To show this, I use the congruent triangle that says corresponding angles are equal. So I can say in this triangle and in this triangle, A and C are equal. So angles A equals angle C. I have to write my reason always. I say given. Okay. The question tells me these two triangles are congruent, so these two angles are equal. The tangent of these two angles, I write only one of them. Tangent of these two angles, okay, are equal. So the tangent of these two angles are equals, and we know the tangent of these two angles equals a step. The formula of tangent is the step of y equals the step of x. Okay? And we see here is a definition of slope. So their slope are equal, their m are equal. We know two lines, we are talking about two lines, have three position, okay, three position together. They are parallel together, they are coincident together, or they intersect in only one point. Okay? And when I say their m, their slope, when I say their tangent are equal, that means their slope are equal. So when I say two line, their slope of these two lines are equals, I have only two positions. They are parallel or they are coincident and they have an overlap. We see they don't have any overlap. So when I say their m are equals, they are parallel because they don't have any overlap. So I could prove AB is parallel to DC. Why? Same M. They have the same M and they don't have any overlap. Okay. I can say don't have any overlap, but we don't need here because we see the distance between them. So I could prove these two lines are parallel. So I can use it to show similarity of triangle here and this triangle. As we know, BC is an interversal line between these two parallel lines. Okay, so I can say B equals C1. I get it. C1 equals C1. So the angle B equals angle C1. Why? I have to write because they are alternate angle. We know if we look here, we see they make the Z shape. So between two parallel lines, see they make a Z shape here. So they are alternate angles. So I only write alternate angle between two parallel lines. I will go for the next reason. As we see here, I get it F1 and F2. So I say F1 angles F1 equals angle F2. My reason is they are vertically opposite. So I say vertically opposite. Okay, opposite. And we know for any triangle, the sum of all the interior angles equal 180. So I can, from these two angles, I can prove, I get it, G1. I proved G1 the angle. G1 equals the angle A here, these angles. So with these three steps, S, I prove these two triangles ABF, ABF is similar to triangle GCF. GCF. So I prove these two triangles are similar, and I will go to get these two triangles. Again, first of all, before I want to dive to solve and prove this part, pause the video and write if you want, because I want to clean the board to have a space to prove the second step. Okay, to prove these two triangles and CFG and GDH, first of all, I try to prove DE here, this line, and BC, this line, these two lines are parallel. I try to use congruent triangle that says the corresponding sides are equal. So the corresponding sides are equal and the corresponding angle are equal as well. So I say C and E are equal. As we said, the tangent would be equal. So their M are equal. The same reason here. So I say DE, the line DE is parallel to a line BC. Okay? Now I say the line DC is a interversal line. So I can say D, the angle D equals the angle C. Angle D equals angle C. Again, alternate angle. Alternate angle. Let me change my color to show here. They make between two parallel line. They make a Z shape. So they are alternate angles. So they are alternate angles. So they are equal. Oh, with green and red. Okay. And then C1 and I get it C2, C1 and C2, C1 equals C2. They are vertically opposite, vertically opposite. I have to write my reason, okay? And then, as we know, the sum of the interior angles of any triangles equals 180. So I say H angles H equals angles F. So with these three steps, I could prove with S, 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 these two triangles are similar. F, C, G, F, C, F, C, G, and H, D, H, D, G are similar. So if I prove ABF similar to FCG and FCG similar to GDH, so I could prove BAF similar to GDH as well. So I am done. And did you like it? So share it with your friend. See you in the next problem and stay tuned.